manager. Never had one, got no stylist. Never had one, got no publisher. Never had one, got no PA. Never had one, got no PR. Never had one. Ain't nobody telling me nothing about my career from they never had one. Fam, I got man trying to tell me about mix. About mix, fucking pricks. Put them on the decks, they can't mix. CDJs, they can't mix. Studio desk, they can't mix. Don't tell me nothing about mix. Man think they're big Quincy Jones out here, fam. Did they catch 2 licks? Yo, is it me or is everyone just having bare meetings? Bare coffee drinking and eating. Dead vibes, I ain't reaching. You man are trying to make boardroom bangers on conference call loudspeakers. Sorry fam, but my calendar don't rate meetings, don't catch feelings. Not gonna lie, I know where I'm heading. Not gonna lie, the music's spreading. Not gonna lie, so you man are breading. Not gonna lie, all these 10 man CC'd emails do my head in. Not gonna lie, only time I posed with a contract was on my wedding. Not gonna lie, fucking industry pricks. It's their job to gas you up quick. Anything happens to you right now, none of these man here are gonna give 2 shits. My advice for the youths out there right now, MCing in the bits, jump on the mic and make them hits. Stop listening to all these pricks. The route that JME took was different to the route that JK took, and that was different to the route that P Money took, and that was different to the route that AJ took, and that's different to the route that you're gonna take. The blueprint is to carve your own way. Us man open the doors, but once you get through, you have to solve the maze. Serious. Used to think my style didn't fit till I stopped listening to all these pricks. Lost motivation to spit till I stopped listening to all these pricks. Used to care about views and clicks till I stopped listening to all these pricks.
Yeah man, them I wanna copyright for I see them playlist me
Listening to all these pricks. Lost motivation to spit till I stopped listening to all these pricks. Used to care about views and clicks till I stopped listening to all these pricks. Fair industry politics till I stopped listening to all these pricks.
We post in our group so they got FIFA. And the new one still isn't it? I think got 015 it be so. Anytime I know see if me better than JWG when I can't do something, you know. Can't run too much funny. That is how the television way run. I run 3 bad. How the mic sound? The mic you hear it on the music or well, how the mic sound to you?
Trying to find out the price of cheese. I'm looking for the rice and peas. Representing Wiley scene. Yeah, I'm a fucking grime MC. Nah, blood, you can't ride with me. You can't factory buy these seats. Tried to warn a bro about the climate. He crossed the Atlantic to Island Sea. Plus, I multiply my peas. Subtract and divide your peas. Call this the Jamie rhyming scheme. Finesse this flow on time like me.
Yeah, once money about it. That's a show. see alert at work. Oh, go on. No kind of sound it.
This one's for the beat fiends and fucking G's. This one's for the street team that's busting teeth. This one's for the beat fiends and cutting trees. This one's for the street sweepers touching keys. Kodak moment, let's get a bit of it. Bro, that's H, get a trim in it. On back roads, no flex, just bringing it. Yo, that flow, that's dead, get rid of it. Can't find you on the beats no more, and can't see man in the streets no more, and can't find you in no sold out for HTTP error 404. Xbox, I don't play no more. PC Master Race, say no more. Killer instinct, instinctive killer. When you when I'm dead, my wife gets to enjoy them, but me, I done said that I sleep when I'm
So that was never come before.
cremate and send my ashes out of space because I'm out of place. I said this one's for the beat fiends and fucking G's. This one's for the street team that's
Oh, I said that is near.
this one's for the beats peas and top 8 on MySpace, stop begging it, not taking my place, not forget it, stop wasting time, get hot stepping, I'm not sneaking my race, I'm wrecking it. Boy better know, my fee went up cause I don't do shows, making bucks just jamming at home, put my feet up and wiggle my toes. Man are out here all thinking they're hot cause they got couple views on a computer. Man are out here chatting like I'm not hot though, cause I'm not a gun abuser. Man are out here aiming for the top like the actually I won't shoot up. Man are out here gunning for my spot with the accuracy of a soldier. Camera splashing, man in the bottom of the taxi. Right and praise their taxi. I got the whole wave in the backseat. Batman with the shades, that's Maxi. When I walk on stage, don't at me. Man's 888 like a admin. Man's 888 like a battery. Exactly. Now this
Yeah, me did go do that, you know, but I'm going to myself body in a match. Squad up already, so I say. Most of them could do, I probably just do RP mission, but I say, I'm never sure if that would have worked out. Because I say I'll MVP online. But I know how that works, so I'm just sorry, I'm just do this, I'm done.
you watch me like an eBay listing. You watch me like the opposite sex. You watch me like you wanna have sex. Trust me, fam. You watch me, cause I'm psycho like Susan Boyle. Cause I drop gems like Frankie Boyle. Cause I drop gems like Hats drops Lens. Cause I drop gems like when I'm used to shit. Ran up on the start of Sonic 3. You watch me cause I'm with his lecky. Sunroof open, blaring Becky. You watch me like I'm on your screen. BBC, BPT, ITV, Sky News, NBC, CBBS, ABC, MTV. In my business like Sky News HD. You watch me like I'm fucking free and your baby's sitting for your auntie. Fuck this shit, and you can't see me. Can't see me infrared waves. Can't see me gases dead space. Can't see me, your iris is torn. Can't see me like Japanese porn. Can't see me, no Instagram bitch. Can't see me like Capcan's glitch. Can't see me no more, I'm gone. Can't see me like my name's Jaws. Trust me. Man, I acting bare weird, bro. You know, some of like 20 years since school. Then they jump online, social media start acting like some weird news reporter. I can't take these sly Snapchatters, camera flashes, amateur packers, camera phone upright aimed at me, but they're looking to the side. What are you looking at us? Don't wanna chat us. You're acting weird. The internet just fucked your brain, man. Why are you scared? I'm sat with open body language, holding a sandwich. Come over here and talk. Buki is the new black. Man see me and don't know how to act. I spend bare time trying to figure out if they're starstruck or if they're planning to jack. One little shit when I called his dad and said that he's the one getting harassed. After I caught him trying to film me shopping, so I cheated him up for banks. Prick, trust me fam, you watch me.
You know what, going? It says she defeated already, but she me don't know, so
Like I'm supposed to be in a
I ain't even know what going.
man ain't no celebrity. Don't insult my integrity. If a man tries to stunt and then comes back to the streets, you're dead to me. You watch me, us, that's why you
Oh, if me get fear car, I'm try. As I'm the one the super, but I never get to see it before I race him, so I'm gonna at least try back and get it. So I save it, and before I race, this is one, yeah. So in case we don't get him, we can just go back over fear race them. Please get our car. Everyone made no police now, they're gonna go in business. Look at my granny kind of they never see me. Rate how the boy appear in this one. Rate how he appear. Just nod it. Lightning flash, man, they're right back on me. Watch them, man. Well, girl in face still. That's one girl that drive down here. You feel like a joke. I know, say, part 2 for this, I do the police are not quick either. I got part 2 for this one. Yes, me say it's a girl, I correct myself, sir. I forget again like one time, man. Just almost up beside as a search so. Shit if oh, come on. As a search so you find it. It's not as hard to download again. Now I see where JWG got through when I reach at half your drive. What am I in the sun? little dark because I turned on the brightness last night and I use it. What's up there? If you get one laptop then it don't make sense where they can get more games still come and say but if I get my laptop you know about to fix the PS2. Then again I can get more game and better game for you still. Well, it depends still how much you have a charge. More likely you could have some CD put on sale make money. You can use it. Yeah man, everybody against him and all his son to Jaja. Yeah, follow him man, send a link to somebody. Yo, if you say anything like a while, I never see it, just retype it. Or if anybody said anything a while ago, the chat was disconnected. Oh, alright, cool. We'll find a way if we get the two chat them in a one. But let's use my mobile phone and just load the I don't really want just load the PC version from my phone on the outside and just use this one the lock left while for some instance it logged me out. So, so that one, I got two screen, I got better from right now. Can't feel heavy. Like I said, more weight for fine. You know, so you disappear and appear a different place, man. Everything that one place, you know, confuse me tonight. Nah, go happen. Wrong, smarty. Drifting like a wild youth. Bad man go to a tree like a nothing. I go on the drain, I pray. I'm not get a notification say I go live for how long now. You not go live that often again? I'm soon get to chat, Alright, see I make you switch now. Janda. I pray badness. We up to. Boy, again speed. Hey boy G, you're confused, you know. Oh, Zine, phone mash up. Oh, come here, so me see I'll go live at night time and anything, man. Alright, so next month you go forward on the scene. Alright, bad boss. So badness. Yeah, pre in them time and night, you know. We're up to. Yes sir, go and confuse yourself, Jay. Yeah, go and confuse yourself. And Jay, you know, if you use Twitch or no app when you Twitch live, and there's some mostly live fun. Recently started multi-streaming, you know, to both Twitch and YouTube, so the link to the Twitch is down in the description, so you can check that out if you would like. Oh yeah, the homework. Oh Jaja. Sometimes I miss them the day there. Sometimes I don't miss them the day there. I tell you, you can't confuse me, you know. You can't confuse me again. I'll show you something. I send a picture in a Discord. How much hours you gone? I would have to check. I'd have to check. Last time I checked, 130 something, I think. Would have to check. Check and see. Hold on. I'm not always right, but I think I know what's right for me. Getting the work done. Yeah, that's how I like to be. If it ain't right, gotta roll, figure it out. Ain't always gonna be a yes. Too many people around saying yes, everything's not gonna be blessed. Alright, I'm gonna send the picture now on this card. In the announcement section. So check out it. You can't confuse me again, you. Until it's tonight or the night. Confusion done. One placement ID. Now this is the part now where confusing. Which one of the marker did you choose last time? Last time I did the first one. I did the car, and then 2 I did money. So January release on phone. I want the car, you know. If I don't get him, I race him back over. Simple as that. I want the car, man. I want the car. So impound this up into this one. So that's one of the first. Oh, Jano star. Mary is in my cover now? I want to take care, man. I want to take care. I want to care, man. Want the car, man. Want the car. Tell that man. He don't want to arrest no more. Yeah, man, can race her again, man. I just save it before I go race her, you know, so when time reload it back over, I see me go to race. What's up, them police going and then I said that time, man. Need some agua. You said, here we go, Mario. lamp on jump boy. Whoops, small lamp on wow.
Yeah, boy.
Ah, come on. As me hear that member say, me if you look for some more. Hold on upon it. I mean, give you hold on upon. As remember that member said, me if you look some more voice come on. And I know the I can't remember. Come on, where I drive for now? Oh, let put a spin here. Right now, I drive too bad now. I forgot to look some more guys, come on man. Has been done. Alright, when time I got in the stream, remind me again. Just do it has been done and save them. No, seriously, what do you care guys for now? Oh god, a bad mind work? You just a boy now leave me? Alright, let me pay attention. Do it already. Last time you remember me go pan if you do it and now me go sit on it. And me go click on that and find this stuff. I eat that papa. Come on, man. Come on, man. Give me a carrot. So we're going to start remember every 10 minutes for the touch screen so you know fade out. Oops. Did I do that? I wonder how I'm going for it. I'm not like feel heavy tonight. No why. Like body kit. Or a body kit last night. One night, so I don't know. See? Watch it. Watch it. Oh, come on. Watch Batman. You see me that man say? And he do it like a while too. Or she do it like a while. Come on. If you put me carry a war, I go war. At first I used to go see man come out there and carry a war in that game. Hope she crashing the car there. They ain't crashing it, man, I'm crashing on that too. Come on, no. Where the car are going? Bad man not working now. And you put something on the car and you brake check, man. That's how you turn over. Alright, back to Yasa. Sorry, anything else stress me. Yeah, man, over my car, bad man. Now to them a stress out party now. Which one for choose? Say a word of prayer. But this man I can't hear some man thing. How do you? Impound strike that. I wonder. Jaja! Seriously? Trick bad man. I want to carry him around people just do race him back over again. Think I'm laugh? Yeah, no, I feel for do it, you know. Feel for do it. I'm more want to carry, but tired of the carrying out. Tired. Carrying never makes sense. Well, 93. So they're shopping enough for broke people, man. So at least we can buy this. Buy all left with me a little bit of money, yeah, man. You feel like a joke.
Not a believer, not an atheist either. If I need a grim reaper,
Hold on, give me a second,
and he
chat.
sends me to burn in the ether.
Tell them I'm already here. There's no war in the air. 7.6 billion humans all fighting, claiming the floor is there. Acting like you chose to be born, like that shit's supposed to be yours. Acting like we all couldn't tell wrong from right without a book or a law. Don't follow fashion. Man's got empathy and compassion. Birth me again anywhere on the planet. Give me enough time, and I'll find this state of mind that ain't afraid to die. Where was I before 85? I can't spend half my life preparing here for afterlife.
Not a believer, not an atheist either. If I need a grim reaper, and he sends me to burn in the ether, then
Tell him I tried. I spread bare love when I was alive. Where you're born on earth determines what faith you like and subscribe. And I still got an open mind. I live by love and I hope that's mine. The path I chose to walk on is blessed with just of life. Rich or poor, broken arms,
All of them, the same thing. I confuse or what?
myself, my heart is pure. Nothing but love, fam, so you best love me too. I know you're only trying to seek the truth. Whatever that makes me, if it's acting, that makes me you.
Point to your one point, I'm going to feel for them. Damn confused. Man, come like a Earl Frost, man. Or come like a Will Frost. Yeah, I realized that they cut off. I don't know what happened. See, on the next one side, I don't know if sometimes I see program like a chip in and chip out, and then the streaming time start back up on the program, so I don't know if that happen. But I have to check here and see how that is going. Yeah man, that happened because the streaming time gonna 1 minute something you know. Which you know should almost an hour, you know, still. Accident on the road. Police! Police! Gonna call police. Hey driver. How wrong? I don't drink it a drink? Drink it a drink? Your boss. Yeah, tin man drunk and gone. Not a soul in the driver's seat. Oh my chance. What's this one? I'm going for police hunting comedy. I'm going. Police come see fast car inside my cousin. I'll try again. No man, I'll be a drunken man up on the road today. Watch out. Next one again.